many people out there, you probably, who's looking like to figure out what it is about, there's like a hair on my camera. Sorry, I'm new to this. So there are so many people out there who are not feeling complete in their job, no matter where they go, no matter what job they get, whatever. Like they're not meant to be for the job. Society told us that we need to get a job. We need to get a job, and a good job, and that's how we become successful. But you know what? Like in the olden days, like the old generation, those people who took care of us, like who are our parents right now, like I'm a millennial, yeah, but they didn't have the internet. So they're ignorant. Like they don't know what the internet can do for you.
Hey, what's up everybody? I am not wearing any makeup today, but thank God for filters, right? So I just wanted to talk about something because I got a couple of questions from some people asking, how do you know all of this that you're posting? And so my biggest advice for that question is, if you want to get good at something, especially if you want to grow, you have to follow these 3 steps. And those are invest, learn, and teach. So you got to invest your time, and sometimes you even have to invest money in order to learn stuff. And when you learn, you can't just keep learning and consuming things every single day without teaching, without putting it out there in the world. And actually, I really believe that the best way you learn is when you teach, because you're challenging yourself. You put yourself in a position where you need to know something, and that just gets you really hungry as well to learn more. So yeah, that's what I do. I just invest, learn, and teach, and that's what I do with every single topic that I'm gonna put out and that I have been putting out. I don't learn so many things and keep it all clogged up in my brain. You gotta produce. You have to stop consuming and you have to start producing as well. So invest, learn, teach. I hope it helps.
Client or customer.
So yeah, it's not a normal process whenever I make videos. It is a really awkward situation, but yesterday I posted something really raw and I asked if any of you guys like these raw videos, and 100% of the people who answered said yes. And marketing is all about, asking what your audience wants and giving it to them and making them happy. So I'm gonna be posting, not every day, but as much as I can. I'm gonna be posting just growth stuff, what I learned in my life, in my day, self-development, anything that I know will be of value to you. Or I'm thinking of naming it Daily Dose of Natalie. I don't know, is that corny?
Okay, let's talk business. So what is the first thing that you think about when you want to start a business? You probably think, oh, I gotta get a business plan. Fuck business plans. Do you know what a plan is? The plan is to screw up. You gotta fail. You really gotta literally screw up, because business is all about becoming the best version of yourself. Literally, the plan is to fail, but you have to always get back up. It's about failing, learning, getting back up, trying again, trying new things, innovating. That's what business is about. Yeah, you can have a plan, you can know what your business is about, but if you really think that you are gonna run your business by the book, it's game over.
Guys, let's fix the biggest problem in business, and that is not being able to make sales. I need you to remember this, okay? When people come on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, when they grab their phones or their laptops to go on social media, They are not looking to buy anything. Like, I know that when I woke up this morning, I didn't say, I'm gonna get my phone and go on Instagram because I'm gonna buy something. No, people don't do that. So stop, for the love of marketing, stop putting out, buy this, buy that, buy my ish. Like, don't do that, because people are not gonna buy. People only buy from people they know, like, and trust. So you gotta put out value. You gotta put out content. You gotta put out more about who you are. Put out like education, put out inspiration, put out entertainment, put out something that people are gonna wanna come back to you for. And once you have built their trust, they're buying. I promise. Hey guys, let's talk about engagement. I'm sure all of you want likes and hearts and comments and followers. I'm sure you guys want that on your Instagram page, on your Facebook page, on your YouTube page. You know what? If you want engagement, you have to engage. I see some people who have posts on Instagram and a couple of comments, even just one comment, and they never replied. They never respond. Like, who the fuck do you think you are? Are you Cardi B? No, you're not. So, someone takes their time out of their day, they take 2 seconds out of their day to reply to you, to acknowledge your post, and you don't reply or at least give them a heart. That's not going to end in a, positive note, that's not going to end well. So stop thinking that you're so famous and that you're the shit, because you're not. So, start replying. Engage with the people who engage with you.